industry does have some problems. One of the problems is SAG mill. It is a giant machine much like a large tumble dryer that helps break the raw ore into small pieces by literally bashing them together. It reduces the stage of grinding ore and hence lower overall capital and maintenance costs. However, it is highly energy inefficient. Peter Clark, the CEO of Scanalyze, said most of the power is converted to heat in the load and only a small percentage of the power contributes to ore breakage. Thus, it contributes to greenhouse gas pollution. The liners inside the mill will wear down and need to be repaired or replaced. It is usually take a minimum of a week to repair. It is not just about time consuming. The shutdown will cost 50,000 loss of revenue. Besides, it is difficult to determine the accurate wear rate of the liners. It is hazardous for people to enter into the mill without physical regular inspection. If this happens, the mill must be shut down to allow the staff to come inside the mill. Again, it will cause a huge loss of revenue. Furthermore, the dark and metal-colored environment inside the mill makes it difficult to detect the problem. Scanalyze found those problems as an opportunity to innovate a technology. They introduced Mill Mapper, a 3D laser scanning and imaging technology software. It creates a virtual mill with comprehensive liner profile data and uses a special terrestrial laser scanner. Question how it works. This scanner will be put into the mill. It will collect a large quantity of 3D measurement of the liner surface. The data that has been collected will be sent through the internet to headquarters to Perth. Mill Mapper will transform the data process into a meaningful form such as graph and will be examined by experienced staff. The advantages of Mill Mapper are early detection of failure and reduced inspection duration. No need to shut down or appoint staff to enter into the mill for checking. Besides, it saves time as the scanning process only takes less than 5 minutes. Design is to make a draw plans or something, and designing is the art of making plans or drawing for something. Taking this meaning, it seems quite obvious that the starting point of the development of the terminology was engineering. In its early stages related to buildings later in history to machines, the people working in the area were confronted with the fact that design was also used for describing this discipline dealing with the shape, color and material of objects. The following are the basic elements of design: formulation of the design strategy, the task, the way to design, the organization chosen for the task, the use of this organization as well as the actual context and the designer's reaction upon it. It has been argued that the starting point of design was lying in mechanical engineering, but that it has widened in past years. The design of product is now being integrated with that of system and service. This is what Scanalyze done. They had designed a product to improve mining industry, but they had to face several problems in identifying opportunity, had no time to learn new computer system, and focus on wrong data, which is thickness, not the wear. But now they achieve a high standard and quality control in their design. Scanalyze understand the mining environment and react to the industry problems by design and producing Mill Mapper. Looking for the product development, the word to develop is defined as to grow or change something into more advanced form, or to invent or to bring or come into existence. This seems to incorporate two things: something radically new and something that has been adapted from an existing product or service. Several success factors for product development, including customer focus, quality issues, entrepreneurship of product designers, solid basic knowledge and methodology, information technology support, collaboration and alliance. Altogether, this enlarges the original view associated with the term product development. It can be stated that product development represents a term for referring to creation of an improved or new product as well as its delivery to the market. Starting points for this are usually a market pull or customer need as well as technology push. In Scanalyze's case, we agreed that Scanalyze produced something new to the industry but adopt the basic needs of collecting data from mill. Before this, we need someone to enter into the mill to collect data of wear liner. The basic needs still there. However, Scanalyze innovate it in a 3D software to make it easier and efficient. Scanalyze identified its opportunity to produce this software when they received suggestion from Alcoa to overcome the problem in mining industry. One surprise point is they noticed that there is one company in Chile doing the same thing like Scanalyze, collect data and produce it in a meaningful form. However, the processed data is then examined by experienced metallurgists and analyst report provided which identifies any areas of immediate concern. This shows how Scanalyze focus on technical skill and quality control in product development that improve mining industry. That's all from me reporting from the mining side. Thank you.
Oh,